Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term specifically used in US National Stock Number or NSN. Since the federal US government is so vast and is comprised of hundreds of agencies, departments, and units, organization is the key. This is especially true when it comes to government contracting. One of the numerous ways the government streamlines and standardizes the procurement process is with the national stock numbers or NSN. NSNs are crucial component of federal procurement because they were created to reduce duplicate item in the federal inventory and standardize military requirement for testing. A national stock number, also referred to as a NATO stock number, is a serial number applied to an item that is repeatedly procured, stocked, stored, and is issued throughout the federal supply system. National stock numbers are used to identify and manage every product imaginable, including tires, aircraft parts, hammers, and light bulbs. Each item is assigned a unique series of numbers giving information about the name, price, physical performance characteristic, manufacturer, and dimensions. National stock numbers are comprised of 13-digit code broken down into several sections. First four digits represent the federal supply class, and the first two digits of federal supply class are the federal supply group. For example, if the first four digits are 1830, the 18 would signify the federal supply group titled Space Vehicles, and 1830 as a whole would signify Space Vehicle Remote Control Systems. If the number were 1820, then it would be Space Vehicle Components. Second two digits represent NATO country classification code or the country of origin. For example, the United States would be 00 or 01. Last seven digits are unique to each of this NSN. Thanks for watching. Bye.